This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing FX Replay or TradingView and see if which is the best strategy builder for 2025. So now let's get it started and break it down. So FX Replay, we're going to be starting on this one. So this is ideal for manual forex and crypto traders who want realistic backtesting with no future data visibility. So this is great for discretionary strategy refinement. So for its pros and cons, first is the pros. So this one is realistic bar by bar replay. Number 2 is multi-chart and multi-asset testing, P&L and Monte Carlo analytics. It also has a go-to function for quick sessions jump. And lastly is no future candle peaking, which is true simulation. For the cons is it's not automated. It has no automated strategy testing, no limited asset or data history, and then no custom indicators or Pine script, and can lag with heavy usage. Lastly is it has no free version, so the trial is limited only. So now let's go ahead with the TradingView. So TradingView is ideal for technical and algorithmic traders who want a powerful charting tool with scripting, community strategies, and wide market access. For the pros and cons, let's start with pros. It supports Pine script for automation. It covers stocks, crypto, forex, and indices. It also has massive community of strategies with replay mode for manual testing, and lastly is cross-platform access for web and application. Now for the cons, it has limited manual backtest realism. PineScript has no learning curve, so also some features locked behind paid tiers. It also has no true tick-by-tick simulation. And lastly is Strategy Tester, less detailed than FX Replay. So that's it for today's comparison video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!